chill while sea trip. O diba? Ang ganda. Hihi. So ayan, si Kapitan is nasa taas. Oh, ganda. So yun yung mga staff guys. 7 staff here. So aakyat ako dito. Hindi dito. Hi. So pwede kang humiga dyan, higa dyan.
You can enjoy upstairs also.
Yes.
If you want to relax, here is better.
Alright.
While you are
Yeah.
sleeping.
Yep. So this is upstairs guys. And wow. Cute. With the fruit.
Salak.
Salak.
You have salak also, right?
No,
I don't know
don't.
in English, but that's
I don't. I think I don't know if we have it. We have this and the banana.
have this,
Yeah,
right?
but not apple.
Not apple. Yeah,
Yes.
of course also. We are
It's-
also like
yeah.
before.
That's imported. So you can relax here. Hi, and the captain. And this is the back. So can I check out the back?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, thank you. Hi, good morning, Captain. So that's our captain and our small for if we go out, if we land somewhere. So this is the back. Okay, so this is it. We stay here for 2 nights and 3 days. Okay, so you can chillax here. Okay, bye. Get roll.